and this input would have ID of top menu toggle. That's the idea of it. Okay, and what else? We don't need checked. What else do we need? Maybe an area label. We can add that later on. Let's just leave it here for the moment, and we can figure out the rest of the attributes later on. So far I have an ID. See, it looks like we can type inside it, which means it's not a checkbox. It's just a text, input type text. So we do need attributes like type equals checkbox. Okay, so now it looks like a checkbox. You can click and check or uncheck it. Now this top menu toggle, we could start styling it. So let's do top menu toggle. Okay, and top menu toggle needs to do something. Let's start with before with content, and over here I'm not sure how it will work, but let's do var and then to variables, copy this thing, too many minus or dashes. Okay, well, something is there. Although it looks in an unexpected way, I would say. Why does it look like that? I don't know. We'll figure it out. Well, for top menu toggle, I want to give it a width and a height. Width, let's do 2 or 3 rem to start with. Height, 3 rem, and the border. Actually, let's move those ones up. So now the label would be the one with the width and height. And let's see. Let's do a border to see it visually. Border 1 pixel solid green. Okay, it's over here. However, I don't see it being squared. It looks like a rectangle, not like a square. So that means label is behaving as an inline element. Let's do dib display inline block. Now looks like a square. Or actually, let's do display flex, and it's still a square. Now, if we click on this one, nothing happens, and we don't even see it being active. So cursor pointer. Now I can see the mouse changes. And if we click on it, still nothing happens, because we want for this label to have some attributes. The attribute 4 with the value of this. Okay. And now if we click on it, the checkbox becomes checked or unchecked, which means those two are linked together. Yay! What else? Let's do also, since we have display flex, let's also do justify content center. And centered, and align items center, and that looks better. Kind of. Why is it like that anyway? I don't get it. It had so many lines in it. Okay. Should look like this, right? How about if I try filter for a moment? How does it look? It doesn't even care about me. It's always that. Okay. Let's do custom font location. Yeah, it doesn't like me. Maybe we need some single quotes. That's not what we need. So what's the problem? There is a problem. How about for a second I just... No, still nothing? That's quite interesting. I know what.